Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. So, as you know, the Grammy Awards was held last night, and congratulations to Bob Marley once again for winning the reggae category. But me know a majority of dancehall lovers did want to see Kartel win it, especially for carrying dancehall as one of the top man for so long. We would have still happy even if Shenseea did win it too, no joke. Now, Beenie Man pull off a little petty move, or you can call it a shade towards Vybz Kartel. And if you remember good, Beenie make a video the other day, I beg bloggers to stop mentioning name. But Beenie, dancehall has spoken and the people them think say you're badmind. And it seems like a true based on the things them you say recently. So the first video we go post a Beenie Man, him a shade Vybz Kartel after Bob Marley won the Grammy.
All I have to say is congratulations to all the nominees. All nominees of the Reggae Grammy Awards. Yeah? But respect to the king of reggae music, Bob Marley. Yes, because he's the greatest of all time and his work cannot be done. Robert Nesta Marley probably gone, but Bob Marley is still alive. One king of reggae, one king of dancehall. Watch out.
And the second video of Beenie Man shading Kartel again was on another interview.
Be more than one king?
Of music? Of dancehall?
Of dancehall.
Michael Jackson, the king of pop. Who else is the king of pop? Don't worry, I'm waiting.
I mean, it's my float over here and say it's me.
But there's only one king. If you try to fight the king is gonna kill you. You know that.
Alright. Just gotta dethrone the
You can't have a DJ on stage. We are dancehall artists. We are reggae artists. We do band. We do drum and bass and guitar and keyboards and all these things.
Live music.
So this is what we do. Live music. And you do not perform for 25 minutes on your own goddamn show. You do not. You do 1 hour, then you introduce a guest.
Right.
What are you doing? You do. And then you want to tell me that you're a king of dancers. I want to stop somebody.
Beenie Man, you can see the bad mind that ooze out of your brain, brother. And that's why the people them are gonna always give you a rough time. Tell me what you think below. Beenie Man I give bad mind vibes, or where must it make sense? And remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Bro, yo, no, you don't understand. Yo, bro, Vybz Kartel. Let me sit here right in front of you and give you your flowers, bro. Welcome back home, bro. Welcome, bro. I know you're having an amazing time right now. Of course. Do you know I literally learned to whine to your songs like this in the backyard party, whine up, bro.
Love that.
No cap, bro. I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah.
I go with Ray.
Yes, bro. Bro, have a good night, though, bro. I got to keep in contact with you, bro.
Yeah, you should.
Hold on, can I take your number now?
Of course.
Bro,